Homesteading.com. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you've been around for a while, welcome back. I'm glad to see you as always. And if you have been around for a while, you know every Saturday I put out a soap making video or a DIY beauty product of some sort. And then occasionally I'll put out every once in a while on a Wednesday, I'll pop in a vlog, a canning video, a baking video, whatever I'm doing that week, if I can get around to it. It's not every Wednesday, just the occasional Wednesday right now. That's why we call it Random Wednesday. For many reasons. But without further ado, we are going to make some cold process soap today, and it is going to be cinnamon candy scented. And oh my gosh, if you love Red Hots, you will love this soap. It smells so good. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. Alright y'all, so we're going to make some cinnamon candies soap today. I am so excited to start making some more holiday inspired soaps. So today we are using Cinnamon Candies fragrance from Crafter's Choice. There's no vanilla in it. Supposedly it plays well with cold process soap. We will see. Haven't had much luck with soap saying or fragrances saying they play well nicely. So we will see. For the colors, I have some Voodoo from Mad Mica in here. And then I also have some Spicy Tomato from Mad Mica. And then just a little bit of, or some Chocolate Brown from Crafter's Choice. And then just a teeny tiny bit of brown oxide in there as well. So it's going to be a dark colored soap. Hopefully it works out as planned. We will see. So I've already got my kaolin clay, my goat milk powder, and my beer powder in my oils. I'm just going to give this a quick blitz real quick just to get that nice and incorporated. Make sure there's no chunks in it. You know, no one wants a chunky soap. Paper towel, because I am very, very messy. Y'all know, y'all know. So I've got my lye water solution. It's sitting at about 97. My oils are sitting at about 77. It's freezing in my office right now, so hopefully things go well. So I'm just going to mix this in, and I'm going to bring this just to emulsification. Gorgeous. And I didn't pull out a spatula. There we go. Get that nice and mixed in. So we have been busy bees around here lately. We finished our pasture fence, the perimeter. We put in almost 4,000 feet of fencing in a matter of a week, just me and my hubby. And next project is to section off a part of the barn for goats. So I'm very excited for that. Hopefully we'll get started on that in the next week or so. But for right now, we're going to just make some soap. And I'm going to just section this off. Doesn't have to be perfect, but I want it to be a little bit more precise. Not perfect, but you know, more precise because that's logical. And I'm going to put in my brown. Ooh, try not to sneeze. And then our, what is this one? Voodoo from Mad Mica's, which is a gorgeous, gorgeous pinkish red. That in there. Get it all over my hands. I bet you guys can't guess what I forgot to pull out. A mold. That's like the one thing I always forget to grab when I'm getting ready to make soap videos. It's like, who needs a mold, right? Soap molds are overrated. If you watch my Winter Wonderland soap, you'll know. Sometimes you just make soap on a stick because things don't go as planned. But it's okay. Thankfully, all my molds are right next to my feet. Alright, just in case we gotta move quickly. You never know. That's why I always start mixing by hand. If I have to move to a stick blender, then I will. our spicy tomato. I've had this color forever. I don't think I've ever actually used it like alone in a soap. It looks kind of like tomato soup. Delicious. Oh, now I want some grilled cheese and tomato soup. It's a cold day and that sounds like it would be a delicious, delicious lunch. And then our browns. All right, the moment of truth. The fragrance oil. Are we gonna play nicely or not? Oh, it smells so good though. Oh. Ooh, got a little bit of discoloration. I am fine with that. And I think we're just going to, these are pretty similar colors, but I'm just gonna give them a nice in the pot swirl. I haven't done one of those in a while. And then grabbing our other orangey red. And just go bloop, bloop, bloop. Again, bloops, plops, they're all technical terms in the soap making industry. Alright. And we're just going to little bit more brown on top. All right. And she's not done yet. Give her some nice spritzing of rubbing alcohol, and then I am going to oven process the soap like I do all of my soaps. I say it in every video. I will link it down below if you don't know what oven processing is or don't know how to do it. But I basically set my oven to 170 degrees, which is the lowest it'll go. Once it comes to temperature, I put my soap in, turn the oven off, turn the light on the oven on, and I just let it sit and it forces it through gel phase. I can't really force stuff through gel phase here in my office because it's cold. So I have to take it inside into the house and process it in the oven there. So when it's time to cut the soap, I will bring you guys back. All right, y'all. So it is my favorite day. It is soap cutting day, and I took this out of the mold, and oh my gosh, it just smells so good. It just reminds me of like walking into Hobby Lobby and getting that whiff of those pine cones that are scented with cinnamon. Oh, it's almost as good as walking through the coffee aisle at the grocery store at 8 a.m. But I digress. Let's get this soap cut. I'm so excited. I know it's not like super fancy, but I'm excited for it. Whew. So let's see. That's what it looks like. I am very happy with how it turned out. I love how the red and the browns swirled. It's perfect. I loves it. Oh, and it smells so good. Whew. All right, so that is today's soap. And I will see you guys in the outro. So that is what I've got for you guys today. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? We put out new videos every single week. And as always, be sure to check out the description box down below. I always have a bunch of different articles from the blog, different videos that will help you with soap making, as well as some freebies like the cut file for the shirt I'm wearing right now. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!